So how to add mail account or Gmail, Yahoo or any account on your latest iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. Open your setting, then bottom you see the apps option, press on apps. Now find the mail icon, press on mail. Now mail account, now press on add account. Now you are able to add Google, Yahoo, AOI, Outlook, any. Suppose I want to add Gmail account, then press on Google. Now enter your email address here. Now you have to verify your Gmail account with your verification process. Once done, press on continue. Again continue. Now you have to enable this fourth section. Sometimes it's shown turn off. In this case you need to go your contact option, calendar, then account, then select your email, then you have to enable those four options. Now go to your mail apps. Now you can access all of your email with this email, and if you get more better experience, you can download Gmail apps, then you are able to access your email with your Gmail apps. So that's it. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.